Hey, what is up? I'm Igzu, and in today's video we're gonna do a natural glam makeup look. Yeah. If you don't know what is a natural glam makeup look is, then it's a makeup where your base and eye and everything will be natural, but still it will be a glam look. Yeah, it's kind of hard to explain, so let's just get in. I'm gonna first use foundation. I know you guys will be like, hey, where's primer? Just go check out my last video, you'll know why. And for foundation, I'm using the Pink Flash foundation in the shade 6. I saw a lot of celebrities doing this look. Like a lot of celebrities. This is actually a Met Gala kind of look, or red carpet makeup. But most of the time I see James Charles with this look. Yeah, that's why I'm doing, because I love James Charles. He's kind of like, I love his videos. Now this look is maybe like go-to for a lot of people, but this makeup, the makeup I'm doing right now, this will be a glam makeup, and I will never do that in a daily basis, because first of all, I'm a kid and like I go to school and these types of makeup are not allowed in my school. They don't even like let us apply tinted lip balm. So yeah, we cannot wear foundation, concealer, mascara. We just can't. Now it's time for concealer. I'm using this. This is by Pink Flash. This is in the shade 5. I'll be going in my hometown like 2 days later. So I think I'll be like, editing all of my long videos there, because I don't feel like editing nowadays. I just like edit some of my shorts. Ooh, okay, nice. Now it's time for powder. For powder, I'm using the Pink Flash translucent powder. Everything is by Pink Flash. My whole base was by Pink Flash. By the way, Pink Flash didn't like sponsor me or something. But I have to agree, their products are good. Now I'm blending with a brush. We're doing a natural glam makeup look. That doesn't mean that we'll have a light base. We'll have a full coverage base, but still it will look kind of natural. Now it's time for contour. Now the contour will not be really like, harsh. Okay, we need a light contour, because this is a natural glam makeup look. Okay, I need to contour my forehead because I have a big forehead. But see, having a big forehead is good. Okay, really, really good. Having a big forehead means you have a big brain. Let me explain. So my forehead is really big. That means that my brain is really big too. And so that means that I have a big brain. I'm really intelligent and more smart than you. Idiot. I really don't know what I did there. We're gonna do some nose contour, because some nose contour won't hurt, right? Now we did our contour, but we need a rosy, pinky cheeks. So we're gonna use some blush. Now blush is really, really important. Okay, blush is really important. Blush is like the key to have a natural makeup. So we're gonna apply a lot of blush. And blush actually fades after like an hour or a half. So apply a lot of blush. I mean, don't apply it like a lot, but a little more than usual. Because why not, right? Oh my god, I'm literally in love with blush. Okay, now it's time for eye makeup. So for the eyes, first is eyebrow. Now, you all know that I literally do nothing for my brows. I just like groom them. Yeah, perfect. Now for the eyeshadow part, we cannot do anything like heavy. We just need to apply one shade. And we need to apply a brown shade. So I'm going to use this, my contour, as my eyeshadow. Because why not? Like, see, yeah, we need this brown shade in our eyes. So, apply that shade all over your eye. Nice. Some in the lower lash too. Okay. Okay, this looks promising. So now we need to curl. So for that, obviously, I'm using an eyelash curler. I mean, I'm actually gonna apply falsies, but still, nothing hurts. Like, wasting a little bit of product won't hurt. Okay, now I'm going to apply falsies. So I'm using these, and I think for the first time ever, I want to apply them in front of the camera. Like, applying falsies is a really big issue for me. Like, so I just do them off camera. I'm going to use these one. Now, another tip for me. Okay, I bought a black eyelash glue, and I was using it, and I literally hated it, okay? Like, do not buy any black eyelash glue unless you're a professional. Because you know what happens if you like get black, like the eyelash glue in your lid, it will like remain black and it will ruin your look. But if you buy a white one or a clear one, if it gets in your eyeshadow, it will be clear and everything will look perfect, okay? So never buy a black eyelash glue if you are not a professional. Oh no, oh no. Like, see, yeah, when it will dry, it will turn like clear. Okay, this one looks perfect. Now I'm gonna apply it in this one. I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so I'm done applying the lashes. Now it's time for lipstick. Okay, I'm using the Focolor lip crayon in the shade Rose Top. Okay, this video is not sponsored by anyone. Okay, I'm saying it. Okay, I'm gonna actually align my lips. I'm gonna keep it natural. A nude, and this is a nude shade. This isn't the shade Beneficial White. This is also by Focolor. Okay, so this is what we want, and now I'm going to use some lip gloss. This is by Pink Flash, and this lip gloss is really good, and this is really affordable. This is in the shade CO1. This is actually clear. There's like tinted lip balms, lip gloss too. And it smells like, Tic Tac, like red apple flavor. Okay, so I fixed my hair, and this is the final look. And is it just me? My hair like grew a lot. Like, you see that? Okay, we forgot our highlighter. Nothing new. I always forget my highlighter. So I'm using this for my highlighter. And I'm using a small brush for my inner corner. Some in the brow bone too, because why not? And yeah, the look is done. So I think this is really simple. There's nothing complicated except for the lashes. So yeah, this was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys like this look. You can do this look at home at any event or any rituals. It's really easy, and I think it's not really complicated. if you want, you can skip the lash part. You can just apply mascara. So yeah, this was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and comment what videos you guys want to see next and what do you think about this look, and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay well, stay hydrated. Peace.